Hi everyone, let me show you how to properly cook your protein for your bulk cooking so that it does not stress you and it also tastes really tender and soft and nice. But before I proceed, I already cooked my cow foot off camera so that it can be easy for me to incorporate it into this video to show you how to cook it together with your beef and your cow intestines. Now that the beef is ready, I'm just going to introduce the cow foot into this and cook it together for the next 10 to 15 minutes so that everything can incorporate properly. So that's how you put together your beef or your meat for your soups and everything. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like and subscribe for more.